Stomach distress during races usually isn't an ingredient intolerance. It's an osmolality error caused by insufficient dilution. Many runners abandon energy gels after one bad experience, blaming processed ingredients or specific brands for their nausea. They often switch to solid foods or stop fueling entirely, which inevitably leads to energy depletion and hitting the wall. The problem is rarely the gel itself, but the concentration of carbohydrates hitting your stomach. Your gut has specific osmolality requirements. It struggles to process highly concentrated substances while under physical stress. A standard gel is hypertonic, meaning it is far more concentrated than your body fluids. If you consume this without water, the laws of osmosis take over. To dilute the sugar to an isotonic level that the body can absorb, your stomach pulls water out of your bloodstream. This reverses hydration and leaves a sloshing volume of fluid sitting in your gut, causing nausea. This is compounded by the hypoxic gut phenomenon. During intense running, blood is shunted away from the digestion system to power working muscles, reducing your stomach's ability to manage difficult digestion tasks. To fix this, you must mechanically dilute the gel in the stomach immediately. The general physiological rule is to consume adequate water simultaneously with the gel to create an isotonic solution. Swapping gels for solid food often backfires because fat, protein, and fiber significantly delay gastric emptying. While solids feel healthier, they sit in the stomach longer, increasing the risk of distress during high-intensity efforts. Furthermore, the gut is a trainable organ. If you never use gels in training, your transporters for glucose and fructose are downregulated. You cannot expect your stomach to handle race day carbohydrate loads without adaptation. Training your gut involves gradually increasing carbohydrate intake over 6 to 10 weeks. This increases the density of transport proteins, allowing for faster absorption and less bloating. Stop blaming the gel packet. Focus on hydration volume and gut training. If you master the fluid-to-carb ratio, you turn a source of pain into your biggest performance advantage. Respect the ratio, dilute the fuel, and save your race.